Welcome to AutoCAD Apprentice. Like always, it's a pleasure to have you here. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at a two-dimensional drawing, which you are seeing in the diagram there. We're going to construct it from scratch. So in order to create this two-dimensional drawing, the first thing we're going to need is to draw a line of 18 units going up, like you can see. Okay, let me just zoom in. Alright. Then next up, we're going to draw the circles that are at the tip of the line. So from the center point of the line, which is at the top, we're going to draw our first circle by going to the circle center, to the center diameter circle, and we enter a diameter of 3.6. Next up, we're going to go back again to the center diameter circle. We're going to draw a circle of 4.8 units. Then from there, we're again going to go back to the center diameter circle. We're going to draw a circle of 8.2 units. From there, we're going to draw yet another circle from the circle radius option, which has a radius of 5.7. Then click enter, just like this. So by now you should have a diagram that looks like this. Alright, next up from the diagram, we can see that we have a distance at the bottom of 12. So if we cut from the midpoint, we're going to have an offset in both sides of 6, 6. So we're going to draw an offset from the center line of 6 to 6. So we're going to select the offset 2. We enter a distance of 6. Then you offset it both to the right and to the left, just as you are seeing. Next up, we can see that the other inward lines, the two lines that we have that are attaching to the circles, we're going to offset them by dividing the center radius of the bigger circle that we had done, which has a diameter of 8.2. We're going to divide it by 2. That is going to give us a 4.1. So we're going to offset by a distance of 4.1 on both sides, just like this. Yes. Okay. Next up, we're going to draw a line that connects all the 4 points at the bottom, just like this. Then after that, we're going to offset the bottom line up to the top by a distance of 1. Again, another offset from that line that we had offsetted earlier by from the bottom line, sorry, by a distance of 4. Okay. You get something? Okay. Alright, next up again, we're going to offset. This time around, we're going to offset by a distance of 2.5 from the bottom line, just like that. Right. At this point, we can trim out the parts that we do not need, so you can go ahead and trim the parts that I'm also trimming out. So the midline is no longer needed at this point, so you can go ahead and just remove the entire thing of the midline. Even those lines, alright, just like that. And at the bottom, we do not have those two lines, so you can remove them. Alright, so we need to make the arcs that are between the line that we have and the protrusions that we have from the top. So for that, you're going to go to the fillet 2 and enter a fillet radius of 1.6. Then click the top line and the line that is protruding, just like I showed you earlier. Alright, so since I don't have this line, let me just bring it back. Let me just bring back that line. console. There. Right, go back to the fillet tool, click the line and click that upper line again. Alright, so we've created the two caves of the diagram there. So the link to the diagram is going to be in the description. You can check it anytime. Alright, so let me just put another line there so that we can actually come up with those two circles that we're seeing. Alright, so you're going to get the circle which has got the diameter, because we're dealing with diameters there. So you're going to enter a diameter of 2.4 and again another diameter of another diameter of 1.52. So those are the two diameters that you're going to put with the center diameter circles, two of them. Alright, just like that. From there we can trim out all the other parts that are not needed, such as that line there. So let me just select it so that we can just remove it at a go. Yes, trim. Alright, then we can also trim out that line, just like that. Right, then from there you can go to the mirror tool and select both circles, click enter, then come to the midpoint of the circle, then drag the circle to be on the center, just like this, then enter. Put it back. Yeah, enter. Just like this. So we can trim out that part there. Yeah, just like that. Alright, so next up we're going to offset the two lines that are at the edges. So you go to the offset tool, you select the line. Now the offset is going to be at a distance of 1.2. Select it inwards. Can you select it inwards, just like that? Alright. Next, we're now going to again do another offset. Alright, so the offset for this one, we're going to need the bottom top line, and we're going to offset it at a distance of 4.6. Alright, so at this point our drawing is just done. So all we need is just to trim out the part so that it can actually look the way it was looking like in the picture. And don't forget, the picture, you can find the link to it in the comment section. Right there. That and that. Alright, so just like that, the diagram is done. Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like the video, and you can leave a comment in the video. Thank you.